everyone, Jeremy here from Flatware Creations. I have been working on a project in my head for a few years, and I am finally about to actually make this piece. So in Beauty and the Beast, there's a rose that comes up and it's dropping petals, and it's in a glass dome. It actually didn't have a base, but I need the base so that I can use the motor inside to turn my flower, and it protects this a little bit. So my idea was to make a flower, in this case a rose. It's all made out of spoons. I have this recorded somewhere else. This is just an update video, but this video will be coming out. I received this handle, and I will put the person's name right here because I have a 4-second memory. Thank you very much. I was so excited yesterday. I forgot to start filming the process for getting it to this point and getting this to fit inside here. But I figured it that the knife handle I had to have, this pattern is called First Love. So because of the love theme and the rose and the story, I felt it was appropriate to have this base, or this bottom. So I have quite a bit of work to do here still, but my idea is I want this to rotate right here. So it's going to be on the base and just kind of rotate like this when the motor's turned on. That's the idea. Making it work is still an engineering process. So I have some stuff. I have some floral tape I'm going to use. I have some ideas for making little leaves come out like on a rose, and I even have a couple little petals that I'll be making to sit at the bottom. And then of course this will get repainted and everything. But I just wanted to do an update of that. A lot of people have been asking me what's the globe for, and I am super excited. Hopefully soon I'll be able to get to actually put this together for you on camera, get everything edited, and have something that's really, really nice and get it out of my head, which is very important. Looping, loop, 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 everything over and over again. So just a quick update. I thank you guys for joining me on my journey, and please subscribe, share, like, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So I hope you guys have a great day and keep making. If you're new to our channel, please hit subscribe. Also, click the bell and select all so you get all of our updated videos as soon as they come out.